Assignment 2, Sustainable Design Video. New York City is located in the Northeast and is the most populous area in the United States. Known as a humid continental climate, this area experiences 4 distinct seasons. The summer has moderately high temperatures, with an average of 85 to 69 degrees Fahrenheit in July and a max UV index of 6. The coldest month is January, with an average of just 39 to 27 degrees Fahrenheit on average. As you see, this city experiences a wide range of temperatures while having a constant humidity of 70 to 76%. Precipitation evenly falls through the year, whether it is rain, sleet, or snow. It occurs roughly 169 days out of the year, with an average accumulation of 37 inches. The average yearly wind speed in New York City is around 10 to 12 miles per hour, with an average sunlight of 2,500 to 2,800 hours per year. Due to these facts, the most important consideration will be to design our bus stop to protect against these environmental elements. For example, the slanted roof redirects water off of the bus station where it can flow into the city's drainage system. Our bus stop is constructed of a recycled steel frame with glass panels in between. This allows for lots of natural light and a more open feel to the architecture. Solar panels lay atop the structure and power everything in the bus stop, such as the energy-saving LED lights, as well as a commuter's information display board. The roof is slanted so the precipitation does not accumulate or limit the ability of the solar panels, as well as not compromising the integrity of the structure. There is a bench along the back of the stop where wind won't be as strong, with the remainder of it being open. Trash and recycling cans are built into the outside of the structure, promoting a cleaner environment. The design of the bus stop draws inspiration from the architectural and cultural significance of the One World Trade Center. Aesthetically, the combination of recycled steel and glass gives it a sleek look that fits in well with the modern urban landscape, specifically the location on the corner of Church and Fulton Street behind St. Paul's Chapel. The solar panels show a conscientiousness towards a more sustainable city, as that is the direction a majority of the U.S. is moving towards. As for the slanted roof and open layout, they provide a practical protection from the elements. Our priorities are to minimize costs, user discomfort, and environmental impact, while recycled steel and glass balances aesthetics, environmental concerns, and economy. The upfront costs of solar panels may limit affordability and structural complexity. However, solar panel technology is improving, which will reduce their costs over time. A drawback of this design would be during a downpour, where water could overflow and pour down over the entrances and exits. Flipping the direction of the slant may be a workaround for this, but would affect the structure's aesthetics in the intended location. Our bus stop fits the requirements to be certified in the LEED rating system. It is a sustainable site built on already developed land, not disrupting any previous ecosystems. It utilizes a fully renewable energy source of solar panels that are on the roof of the site. The energy provided powers LED lights within the bus stop, as well as a display for information about the bus schedule. The structure permits a lot of natural light in, as the main portion of the walls is made from glass panels. This open design also allows for a natural atmosphere, promoting air quality and having its users feel less constrained. The materials of construction are made from recycled resources, that being the steel as well as the glass. Another requirement that it meets is the factor of innovation. Most bus stops within the city use non-renewable electricity and don't protect against the climate. Our design not only provides shelter, but also promotes a clean environment with recycling and trash receptacles.